Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and Joice Hair supplying not only lace front wig, full lace wig, but also headband wig. And today's video I would introduce two type of headband wig we made, and one is we're familiar with this and natural color curly headband wig. You can see made of 𝐉𝐸 hair, and the other is the 613 headband wig with body weave and very beautiful 20 inches, and you can see the bow headband in the front. The thickness and density of the 613 hair. As we know right now in the market, 613 hair quality is a big concern, as many of the bad quality 613 are in the market. So be careful when you purchase 613 hair products. And Joice Hair focus on the quality hair only, no matter is 613 hair or natural color hair. And so if you're looking for a best quality 613 hair, you can choose either our 𝐉𝐸 613 hair like this, or choose our virgin 613 hair, which is premium hair quality. Both of the hair will give you a very good longevity and very beautiful looking and great shining, great luster and great longevity. And see this beautiful headband wig made of the 613 hair, the frontal, and also inside this is the headband, which can make sure the hair very well installed at your head. And there's all the belt, which also help you to install properly, and great fullness, density, and very nice movement you can see on the 613 hair. So we can either we can supply all type of texture, like this type of body weave or straight. So you're looking for a best quality 613 hair, make sure contact with Joice Hair. And this is another type of natural color wig. On this natural color, which for the curly hair, you can see this is very nice hair when we make it curly, very beautiful. And this is good, very nice and best 𝐉𝐸 hair quality, and you will not face any type of like tangling or shedding issue. It won't happen because this quality is really nice. With proper maintenance, you can use it for a very long time. And see the front of the natural color and inside. So the difference between these two is that you can see the band are in different colors, and the front is very much natural arranged. Let's see it on the mannequin. Very beautiful. So we are very much good at doing all type of headband wig. So if you're looking for the best quality, constant quality, and most reliable headband wig supplier, contact Joice Hair. Place your order on www.joicehair.com. We supply the best headband wig, best hair products, and best service. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day.